Guys, sunny day here in Brazil. I tried to change my routine today. Later I go in the gym, but I had to go out of the house a little bit because I'm a bit sad. It's like supposed to be within 5 days Romarico is already here, but unfortunately, as you know, if you don't watch the last video, I just ask you to watch first, then you see why my husband will not come. And today I will eat pamonha. I will show you how is the pamonha that it's made by corn here in Brazil, and I will show you. Okay, so now I will drink one coffee. This is my favorite thing to do in life, is to drink coffee and to eat something, you know, in some bakery. And this is the bakery I always go. But I try to eat my pamonha together with the coffee that I will buy here. First I come here to eat one pastel. We call this pastel. It's grained beef inside. And one espresso coffee. But actually it's the medium size. And later I will show you the pamonha made by corn. It's full. Look, Brazilians love coffee, so it's normal that this time people want to drink the afternoon coffee, and I love to do this also. So guys, this is the pamonha. It's very hot. There is salt and sweet one. So I buy the sweet one. That's why I ate the pastel before I eat this one. I love it. It's very fresh. Look. So it's like mashed corn with sugar, but cooked, you know, because they steam like a chopal or gyoza. It's very good. I love it. Today the center of the city, that is a small city beside the main city, it's full. Everybody went outside. Here is the pension people, those who don't work anymore. Although they are playing like domino. That is one game here in Brazil. I don't know if you have there in the Philippines as well. The one that you have like one, then you need to put one also. You have 2 points, you need to put the 2 also, you know. Then I already eat, as you see, and I will go to my favorite place. That is one store here, over there. It's everything 10 reais. That means like, I think it's around $2 store, and they have a lot of products. I love to come here. So, obrigada. For example, they have many stuffs for the house, books for the kids. I'm thinking to buy one of these because I need, but the price is higher. It's 20. Only this is 20. And they have a lot of stuffs for the office. But for example, this one is 10. That means $2, but for us, 10 reais. it's a lot, so I don't like to spend like this. This one I have in my childhood. It's a razor. Look, for sure come all from China. Can you see? Also this from China. We have a lot of imported items here from China. But Mariko likes this store together with me. Here is already for the, I think it's Valentine's. It's like they already decor. They, they make some press kit. Ah, it's nice, this one. Really full. Look, they have sweets, they have marshmallow, they have candy, all 10. Today it's really full. They have for the house. This is what I want. Put in the fridge, separate items. I like this. You know, guys, this is my distraction while Rico don't come. He always tell, Amore, are you stressed? Go there. I know you love. Because it's hard to be without him, really. Look, items for the clean. Even this one. Look how cute. It's travel size. I like this. I think I will bring. Because since I always travel, I think it's cheaper. It's cute and cheap. They have also this gray, but come in this bag. But this one, look how cute. I like it. I think I will bring this. Even if it's smaller, but it's too small. Because this comes in the box, so it's more easy to carry, but this one is more worth it. Look, this is a big size. Let's see. Guys, everything in the house I buy here. Looks good quality, I buy here. Especially this. I need to buy for my cousin. She asked me. I also need to buy new stuff for the bar. I didn't show you the bar yet, but I will show. Look what they have also. For example, you want to make like cheese, ham, and you want to put here, you can buy this. It's nice. Also for the entrance. It's complete store, guys, really. Oh, so cute. Anyway, after some shop that I bought in that store, I'm here at the gym. It's already a bit late. Supposed to be at come earlier, but I have things to do, but at least I came. I do just some exercise. I'm making legs today. So later on I go to the house because Goliath is sick. So I have to give his medicine. I already buy, I spend a lot to buy his medicine, but he needs, because it's kind of protozoario, they say. It's like something like giardia, they call it. That is the popo is bleeding, something like this. So I go home, I'll give his medicine, and later I will bring them outside because today I have to finish my study. I'm studying because tomorrow is the test again.
Aham.
Sabe? Arrumei minha cama, daí já fui lavar umas roupinhas, depois fui assistir aquele
É o subconsciente. É no subconsciente.
Isso.
Não é pra.
Ai, cara, mas a imagem me chamou tanto atenção aquela voz.
Hi guys, few days pass since that video that I post for you. I'm just continuing my vlog. Unfortunately happened that, you know, my cousin passed, and it was that night suddenly. She was only 45 years old, and unfortunately my husband is not here once more when these such things happen. Anyway, now is already the next week of what happened. I'm already home, things already happened, and I'm here for to continue this vlog. So that day that I went there, I make it very fast. It's like we go in the morning and we come back during the night. So I was really tired. It's like, it's like I was really tired because I'm the one who drive. For those who don't know me, I drive since my 18 years old, and I learned how to drive like going also to that same place where my grandfather lives before. And I don't feel well when somebody's driving. So my father want to drive, but since he never went to that street, I already travel a few times there by myself. Like, wait. I already travel few days there by myself, few times there by myself. I'm the one who drive because I already know the way, and I don't want to let nobody drive. Okay, this is something inside me. I don't trust no one driving for me. I have like a panic if someone is driving, so that's why I was so tired, because I didn't sleep the night before. I went there like already in the morning, like 6:30. I wake up because I almost sleep like 1.5 hour that night when I knew the situation, and then I decided to get out of here already in the morning. I was waiting for my father to arrive here because he go with me and my auntie, and in the end we went out from here like 10 o'clock in the morning. We arrived there 2 p.m. No, because it's 4 hours driving, and to come back I get out from there, it's already 7 p.m. So we drive in the night there in this highway. This highway, it's so dangerous because it's only two ways. So all the people that's coming from there with the highlight in your eyes, you can't see anything, and out of this you cannot go ahead of them because it's only two ways, one go, one come back. So I arrive here home very tense of all the travel and all the shock that we had with this situation. That's why I didn't also record for you anymore. And unfortunately it happens. So now we're trying to go back to our lives. I know it's gonna be more harder for those who is inside the house with her, because I already passed this. I already lost my mom, so I know how difficult. I'm trying to do everything to give the support, and I know God is good and everything will be fine. But we have really to, to be strong with this kind of situation, okay? So guys, sorry for the delay of the videos. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope that I will bring more videos this week for you, okay? So thank you so much to watch me once more, and see you next video. Bye.